everyone. Welcome to part 2 of my new series, Sheet Pan Dinners. If you don't know what a sheet pan dinner is, you take a nice size cookie sheet. I put a foil on mine. You put your ingredients on there, you pop it in the oven, and voila! You have dinner. It's easy. It doesn't involve a lot of pots and pans, and it comes out delicious. First thing you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven for this recipe on 425 degrees. Mine's preheating now. Then you're going to take a sheet pan. Usually they're about, 18 inches by something, but a nice size sheet pan. Now you don't have to put foil on it, but I like to put foil on mine because it just makes easy cleanup. All right, so for our sausage and peppers, obviously we're going to need peppers. So let me take this red one. Sometimes you see this recipe done with all green peppers, but we like the variety, so I have some yellow, green, and red. Now let me take this red one over here. I found that a good way to slice your peppers, and I'll zoom in so I can show you, is take a knife and on the bottom of the pepper, cut that off. Just like this. Okay, see what I did here? Now turn your pepper around and cut off the top of the pepper. You don't have to cut off a lot of it, but just you want to get it sliced right off there, just like this. So there you go. Get that out of there. All right. Now, we always have the seeds inside the pepper. Have a big mess. Well, there's an easier way to do it. Sing down and go just above the bottom. Now, you take your pepper. Let me move this out of the way. Hopefully you can see. And you open it up just like this. And voila. You can just take pop your seeds right out of there. It's so easy. And then you take your knife, I'll cut this, and you just slice down, just like this. See how easy that is to do? The seeds come out so easy that way. Look at that. You don't have a whole big mess. Your seeds come out usually in just one big clump. And then you slice what's left. So let me do another one. Take off the top. Take off the bottom. Cut down the middle, but not all the way through. Stretch it open. And take out your seeds. Isn't that an easy way to cut a pepper? And then just slice. Cook 2 onions. If you want, you can just use 1 onion. It's fine. That part of it is up to you. And I peeled my onion and I sliced it. So let me move this aside now. Move this over here. I'm going to discard all this. And then you take out your baking sheet. All right. Let me move my baking sheet. I'm going to put my peppers on there. No rhyme or reason. Just put your sliced peppers on there. And like I said, you don't have to cut up as many as me. It's really up to you. The quantity you want to put on here. And then what I'm going to do is put my onions on there. So you can use 1 onion if you want. In my family, they like onions and they usually shrink up a little bit, so I'm putting a few more. Okay, that's good. Whoopsie! I think that's enough. All right. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some oil. I'm using olive oil here. You need maybe about 2 tablespoons of it. I'm going to squirt it on. You can pour it on whatever you want. Okay, and with my clean hands, I'm going to toss these onions and peppers so they're all coated with the oil. I mean, it couldn't be any easier than this. I love these one-sheet dinners. They're just super easy. So that looks like everything's pretty covered. So now it's sausage and pepper, so we need our sausage. So I have my sweet Italian sausage here, and I'm going to take my links and just put them down on the pan here. Now, you can put probably about 6 of them on there. I'm going to put, I think, a couple more because you can always have leftovers. I love leftovers. It's funny. Some people don't like leftovers, but I love them. My favorite is leftover meatloaf because leftover meatloaf tastes so good the next day in a sandwich. All right, so that's pretty much it. It's all on one pan. I'll put this baby in my 425 degree oven for about 20 minutes. And then I'll show you what we do when I take it out. Alrighty, so time to dig in. Peppers are nice and soft, a little brown. Oh yeah. Cut the sausage. Nice sweet Italian sausage. It's a little hot. Mmm. 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 Perfect. Delicious. Why wouldn't you want to make it? It's so easy. And like I always tell you, don't always watch me cook or bake. Make it. Oh, let me taste a little piece of this pepper and onion. Peppers are perfect. They're not soft and mushy, and they're not hard. They're perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this second sheet pan dinner I'm making for you. I know you're gonna love the third. So thank you everyone for taking time out of your day to watch me make this. Oh, there you go. Those of you that know me know my dog Brownie, and every time, Brownie, shh, I do the taste testing. Brownie, shh, she wants the food. Brownie. All right, so thank you everyone. I appreciate you all, love you all. And I'll see you soon. Toodles.